Ever wondered why some parts of the sea look crystal clear while most of it is deep blue? Sunlight enters the ocean and water absorbs red, orange and yellow, but reflects blue. In deep areas, the blue color dominates because it's the last color left unabsorbed. But in tropical places, the water looks crystal clear. Why? It's because there are fewer plankton, sediments or algae, so nothing clouds the water. Shallow water with white sand reflects more light, creating that glowing turquoise look. Remote or protected areas have cleaner waters. Less pollution means more clarity. So, deep sea equals sign blue, shallow and clean equals sign crystal clear. It's all about light and particles. Enjoyed the facts? Hit subscribe to Superfacts Arounds for more ocean wonders.